rich, none in solo.
Welcome back guys to a brand new video. So today's video is going to be about unboxing. So there's a game here called Brawl, and so me and my friend here Kevin has some cases here to be unboxed, and we've been saving it since Christmas, I guess. So how many cases do you get, my friend?
I only have 22 and 3 big Brawl packs.
So I think for you there's 22 and 3 picks. For me, I've been saving it from Christmas, and with some token doublers I managed to get around 100 cases for now. So I guess let's just go with the unboxing. I'm hoping for legendary, of course, but yeah, if I get any new Brawls, I'm gonna be trying the new Brawls in Showdown Duo with my friends here. Let's just go with the unboxing then, guys. So first box right here. I'm gonna get some just power points. Okay, I'm gonna get an event ticket right there. Excuse me there, it's my friends there who's messaging me. Yep, let's see here. More Tara power points and some Colt power points. Gonna get some Poco and some Brock right there. Nita, Daryl, and also, so I guess 94 cases to go. Let's see. It's freezing though. I think it's because there's too many cases to unbox. So let's see the next one. So some Poco and Nita again. Shelly and Ricochet. Let's get more. Daryl and Tara. It's gonna go with some loadings. Poco and Ricochet gang. So we're gonna get some more gems right there, guys. Not bad. Okay, Jesse and Barley too, and Barley and Poco this time. We're gonna keep unboxing right here. Primo and some Bull. And we're gonna get some token doublers. That's a good one, guys. 200 token doublers. Not bad. So more like Tara and Ricochet. Come on, man. Come on, Super Sour. Give me something good, man. Seriously. Like, I've got these 100 cases and I'm gonna get an event ticket. Well, the event's done though, so I'm not gonna get any use for the tickets. More Tara and Daryl. Come on, man, just give me a brawler. Just give me one brawler. I'm gonna unbox like 10 more, then I'm just gonna go and unbox for my friend's screen. There you go, guys.
Whoa,
first,
he got Penny.
I got a Penny, so that completes all of my super rare brawlers. And let's go. So we're gonna try Penny later in the Showdown Duo with my friend here. So more unboxing, more event tickets, Ricochet and Shelly, and Nita, Barley, and more 2 event tickets. Let's go. Okay, 1 more event tickets. What tickets building up, guys? Okay, so 2 more, and we're gonna unbox Kevin's cases. So I guess so for our first 30 boxes, we got a Penny and also a couple of power points and some tickets and some gems. So how about you, Kev? Let's go try yours, man.
Okay,
let's go.
Shall we? 22. Okay, here we go.
Let's go with 22. So some
Alright.
Primo and Brox. Okay, try more. Jesse and also that one.
Right, cool. Some Crash.
Oh, what is that?
Okay,
Is that the new
loading.
ball?
I don't think so. It's just loading. Yep. Oh, that's a good one, man.
Yeah,
Token
I
doublers.
see. Token numbers. Let's go. Nothing.
Alright, nothing.
Oh!
That's a Daryl, man.
Oh,
And that's your collection completed, my friend.
Well played.
So we're gonna
Okay,
try Penny and Daryl later in the Showdown Duel.
Alright, just keep going.
Just keep going till you're gone. Just reject that one. It's okay. Just keep on playing. Yeah, keep opening.
Oh, what? Is that the new?
It's loading. It's just
It's
loading.
It's okay. So
Nothing.
some Daryl and Jesse right there.
Yeah. Nothing. No gems, no token double. Yep, just some coins.
Just some points and coins, I guess. Nita and Penny. Not bad.
Oh my god, just keep unboxing 8 left, guys.
Good luck, guys. Damn, man.
Okay, got Piper there.
G,
Good.
G.
There's some Piper. Just keep unboxing, nothing good here. Okay. Oh, got 3 gems.
Some
Why
gems
not? Why
here.
not? Okay. Just 2 ticket, that's the best. And 4 more. Come on. I wish for Legend Leon here. Please.
Have faith on your last case.
Please. This is the last one. Just come on.
So that's the last of your
Leon.
blue boxes,
Leon,
right?
if I press this, Leon. No,
Oh,
it's not
That's
Leon.
just coins and Brock and Jesse.
You
Alright.
open the big
How
one?
about your big box? Just
Yeah.
open it all, man.
Okay, let's go. I only have 3.
You
Piper.
got some Piper, Shelly, and Bull.
Come on, new brawler.
This is going to be coins and Poco. You're gonna get some token dollars and some gems, I guess.
Yes, nice. That's really good.
That's a nice one, man.
Last
Case from Kevin right there.
please, new
Oh,
brawler.
oh.
No, it's not gonna be. Alright, unboxing for me, it's done. It's
So,
time for back to me again right now.
Sorry guys, there's some interruptions right there. Some of my friends just called me. So let's just continue with the unboxing right there. Let's go with the 70 cases left. It's gonna be loading the cases. Let's see what I'm gonna get here. So there's some connection problems right here. Let's just wait for it. Okay. It's gonna unbox Jesse and Poco right there. 69 cases, boys. Let's go.
69 cases.
Barley, Jesse, some Tara again, and some Barley, Penny, Jesse. I'm just gonna speed up this unboxing. More, I guess, Nita and Shelly. I don't think I'm gonna get something good here. Okay, 3 gems, not bad, guys. More event tickets. Some Tara and Primo, Jesse, Ricochet, Colt, Shelly. 4 golds, Tara and Primo right there. Penny, Jesse. So, wait. Okay, it's gonna be loading again. Ricochet with 3 more gems, not bad. So Daryl and Brox, it's gonna be loading again. Jesse, Cole, and some more gems. Some Colt and Shelly PowerPoints. Let's see what you get. It's gonna be gold and Daryl, I guess.
No,
Right, 10 last cases.
then more cases.
Or
Come
event
on.
tickets. Come on, man. I'm hoping for a Piper at least, or maybe a Frank, or something like legendary. Maybe a Leon, maybe, or not.
It's be a dream with Leon. Oh no, 5 more guys. Oh no, this is 4 more. Oh, didn't get anything. 3 last. Please. No, it doesn't get it. Alright,
2 more.
2 more.
Let's see what you get, my friend.
Ah, it doesn't.
Not
Last
really good. Last
one.
Is it gonna be good? Just some coin. Penny. Let's just go ahead and upgrade that Penny to level power 3. And how about you, my friend? What did you get? I think you got a Daryl and a Piper, right?
Yes.
So I guess we're gonna be hopping into a battle. What are you gonna use, Daryl or Piper?
I think I will use Daryl for this one. I'm really.
Okay, so I'm just gonna invite you to here. Come. There you go. And we're gonna play a duo showdown, and we're gonna test these new characters out.
Okay.
So I've got my Penny right here. It's really lagging though, cause I'm outside my house right now in the mall, and it's not. My signal is not really good here. Like, okay, so
Are
you ready to roll, man?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go, man.
I'm really curious how to play Daryl. It's so confusing.
I think you just go get close to the enemy and shoot him from close range. So let's just get this box right here.
Alright. Get the box the other side.
Yes. Daryl works at a point blank range, you know. Like, closer you are to the enemy, the more damage you will get.
Oh.
So I guess we'll just stay here, just stay here. Stay here. Let's not go to the middle because there's 2 people in the middle, I guess, like 2 teams. We're gonna have like 4 powers, I guess. We're just gonna wait for them, okay? There you go. No, we go.
Okay.
Never mind, just go back. You go back again. They have 7 powers. Let's wait for another team to die, then we go to the mid. Okay, your super's ready, you know, because Daryl is auto-charging his own super, you know.
I know.
Yeah, it's like constantly refilling every time you use. So that's gonna be convenient for you.
Let's see.
Let's just go down here and hope. Okay, so it's down to 3 teams right here. So okay, guys. So not bad. We got a third place with a brand new brawler.
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, that's all for the video. You're so lucky, man. I'm so jealous of you. Seriously, like I've only got a penny from here. You got a Daryl and a Piper, man.
Hey, one last box. Why not?
Okay, so 1 box. Why not? Let's just unbox this last box. You're just gonna get an event ticket. 100 golds and 47 gems and 27 tickets. Some tickets. That's good, man. Let's just shop here and collect our free bull here. Free power points from bull. Okay, so that's enough to upgrade bull. I'm gonna go and upgrade bull to level 7 and Shelly to power 8. And also, I guess I'm gonna get my Jesse to level 6 because I've got a lot of gold. Why not? I'm not gonna use Nita a lot. I think it's better if I put it in Tara right here because she's mythic right here. Daryl's pretty good though, but I'm not really using Daryl, so I think I'm just gonna go with Brock or Barley. I think let's just go with Barley here because Barley is nice. It's an A rank, and also Primo and Barley. That's a good one. Shelly's B rank though, and for the S class it's only Leon. Sadly, I didn't get any today, nor did my friend. Just gonna go upgrade my Brock there, and also my Cole. I think yep, that's it. Just gonna go upgrade my Daryl right there. And I guess I'm out of gold, guys, so that's all for the video, guys. So thank you for watching this video here. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you think I should change in the future. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Peace out.
I can fly.